Hello, welcome to our Carson, Colorado YouTube channel. Today was a fun day, starting off with a parade and water balloon fight along there. Everyone was having just a blast. This video shows you a couple of those impressions, and as we are going through the day, it was all fun and then even some more fun. Well, keep on watching. Later you will find out what the oops was. There you go. Following the parade, we moved to the museum grounds, and our Slim Princess 18 was in under steam, and everyone just enjoyed those old nostalgic sounds. Keep on listening to find out where the oops is coming. While I may not have caught the oops, I did catch the aftermath. Check this out here. One of those water feed lines just didn't stand the time. Well, that fitting was almost 100 years old, and it was time to be taken care of. Check out what they did.
What side goes where? Huh. Huh.
Yeah, we didn't quite run out.
Why did I choose to
Work on steam engines.
We've all been doctors. We could have. I try to go around one more? I think so.
We haven't even gone 50% yet. Weird. a shorter seat.
I don't see anything terrible.
Yeah, it quarter turn just like the other one. Eek.
It's down.
Cool.
All fixed again and ready for tomorrow. If you didn't make it yet, so one more chance on Saturday. Saturday the 5th of July. We'll have her steaming again on the yard track at the museum, and we also will have some fun kids activities. So come check it out and listen to the nostalgic sounds of a steam engine. And as usual, thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you enjoy the engine just as much as we do. And everyone watching here is ultimately helping us maintain the engine. Thank you.